Welcome back. A 19-year-old accused who was arrested by Anjuna police in the motorcycle theft case has confessed his involvement in theft in a rented house at Asagaon. Meanwhile, Kalangut police have arrested a Nigerian for possessing 16 grams of charas. 19-year-old Surendra Tanaji was arrested by Anjuna police in a motorcycle theft case on Wednesday, had confessed his involvement in theft in a rented house at Asagaon. The accused had committed theft of 1.85 lakh in cash and mobile phone by breaking open the latch of the main door. Police have recovered 79,000 rupees in cash, mobile phone and laptop from the accused. Police sources informed that remaining cash has been paid by the accused as a down payment for purchase of a new car.
One Rupesh Arora, he is a native who resides at Asagaon. He lodged his complaint that while he was away from his residence at Asagaon, he had gone to Arambol on 16th of April. He returned back on 18th. When he returned back, he found that his rented accommodation was broken open, cash was stolen, 1,95,000. A mobile phone was also stolen. Subsequently, we had one accused who was already arrested in an earlier case, Surendra Tanaji Sawant from Malpam, Goa. He was interrogated in this connection because he was picked up from around that area only, and he confessed that he was also involved in this case.
Meanwhile, Kalangut police have arrested Nigerian national on Friday for being in possession of 16 grams of charas. The accused was arrested in a raid at Saligaon.
PSI Lakshi Amonkar had a specific and reliable information that one Nigerian national was coming to deliver a consignment of drugs at Saligaon Junction. He went with his team. He nabbed this Nigerian national, Ike Churi Edward Otwata. He had in his possession 16 grams of hashish worth rupees 64,000. He is right now cooling his heels in the lockup.
A reporter from Anjuna, Shamsundar Fatte. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured to solve major problems faced by industries in the state. Parrikar has assured to lay new water pipeline for supply of raw water to industries at Verna. He was speaking at the 13th annual general body meeting of Verna Industries Association. Manohar Parrikar has assured to look into the demands of Verna Industries Association. He has assured to lay new water pipeline for supply of raw water to Verna Industries.
I can only tell one thing. Issues are being taken. Power situation should be good by next year. At least reasonable by this year. And water definitely by March next year you will get enough raw water, at least if not treated, into the Verna Industrial Estate. Already we are on the verge of floating a tender for 55 crores worth pipeline from Sejo area to Verna, which will start being laid. Pipe will start from sometime around September. Should be over by December, along with the pumps and everything. But treatment plant may take some longer. So if you want raw water, that will be available in the AGM by end of December or January.
Verna Industries Association President Prashant Shinde informed about the major issues faced by the industries like shortage of power supply, garbage clearance, water shortage, tarring of roads, etc.
Friends, as the industrial estate is one of the biggest industrial estate, we have a lot of issues. Now there are so many issues which you cannot take up, but there are major issues which is water, power and GIDC issues. Now water issues, friends, our total requirement for Verna is almost 15 MLD, but we are not even receiving 0.5 MLD. We need bigger storage capacity. Also, we have been asking for last almost 8 years, we are asking for raw water pipeline directly from Silavlin. We have borewell water, which is the prices have been increased 40 times from 50 paisa per cubic meter to almost 20 rupees per cubic meter. Friends, it is not that just last 10 days back, we had a pathetic situation in Verna. Like companies like Pentair, Markson, Lupin, they had to almost close the production because we never had water.
A reporter in Verna, Surendra Madkekar. Goa is hosting the 17th European Union Film Festival in Goa. This festival will go on till the 29th of April. 24 European films will be screened at the festival. The theme of the festival is European Love. The 17th European Film Festival was inaugurated on Friday at Makine's Palace in Panji. Film buffs in the state can look forward to a visual delight. The 10-day festival has about 24 different films from countries like Italy, Austria, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, Spain, Sweden, UK, France, Finland, Estonia, Denmark, Czech Republic, Bulgaria, Belgium and Slovenia.
In fact, love is described in many ways, and even in Hindi or Urdu, in many Indian languages, it has so many variations. Of course, I may ask you whether muhabbat means the same as pyar. So what is ishq? What is prem? So, as you see, love has so many different variations. And today, when we're speaking together, we expressed our concerns about love. And I said, pyar ke bina to insan kya karega, kuch nahi. So that's the point.
Screenings of the films have been scheduled at 5 p.m., 7 p.m. and 8:45 p.m. and are free for the general public. The festival commenced with a screening of the film Letters to Santa. An exhibition titled Mario in Europe, a tribute to late Mario Miranda, has also been put up for the viewers.
When a vast spectrum of cinema is about to be unveiled, Goa is proud to unveil the 17th edition of the European Union Film Festival. As a part of this extravaganza, the Entertainment Society of Goa, in collaboration with the delegation of the European Union, will present an amalgamation of 25 films from 24 countries connected through the central theme of love.
Our senior video journalist, Tulsidas Chari. It's time now for another short break. News from sports. When we come back, stay tuned.